Jasmine. Enrolling in University of Cebu was one of my dreams. After graduating in junior high school, I already planned what track I would like to enroll, and that is STEM. I choose this track because someday I want to become a nurse. As day passes by, there are some challenges that I already have experienced. One of it is balancing school and personal life. Sometimes I have too much work between classes, homework, and personal life, and I'm having a hard time balancing it. Next is extracurriculums, which is I'm having a hard time how to balance my academic and my extracurricular activities. I already experience stress even though my family is not persuading me to be on top or an honor student. But I feel stressed because I want to meet some expectations. Still, I am thankful to my family because despite those hardship challenges, they keep on uplifting and motivating not to get stressed or persuade myself too much. Above all, I always pray to God to guide me always. Thank you.